What in the world is this thing?
BBN Adventures!
Hey everybody! BBN Adventures here. We are at park number 41, Camp Allen Park. Emmett's rocking out. He's ready to go. We got a storm coming, so we're going to try and get out here and do a little bit of playing. And if it rains, we'll see what happens. So stay tuned to see what happens.
Yep, park number 41, Camp Allen. Everybody ready?
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right, here we go.
Woo!
Camden is here, by the way.
Camp
Oh, there he is. Oh, okay, here we go.
Woo! Camden. Whoa! What in the world is this thing? They look like giant fidget spinners. Oh! How do you even get up there? Do they spin? No, that's probably good. It'd probably be hard to climb on them.
Yeah, then it'll be hard to climb.
Yeah. Hey.
Buddy.
Down!
What? You're not even that high up. This thing is super cool. What? These are like fidget spinners.
Why?
I don't know. Oh, I felt the raindrop. There's thunder.
Damn it, where's thunder and lightning? Where's thunder and lightning? There you go. There's Em. Emma, what do you think? Hard. You're so strong though. Go, go. No, go. Whoa.
What does it say?
Can you tell me?
Be happy.
Be happy. Be happy.
Alright.
Umbrella.
Okay, you're gonna hide it? Okay, I'll get you an umbrella. Okay, go hide it.
Okay.
Alright, what do you have, sir?
Got it good?
Your fairy door. And what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do it? Go put it out? Find a good tree for it? Alright, let's go.
We are all done here at Camp Allen Park.
Oh my Cameron.
Yeah, it was a still rocking out, rocking out at this park. It was raining, but we didn't have enough water to use our boats. We'll do it at another part. We'll do it at a different time. So, Cannon, what was your favorite part? Even though
Guys, what about we do it at number 10?
this was 41. So.
Oh, number 10 was a big puddle part.
Oh yeah, we did. Yeah, that had a lot.
Check out our number 10 video.
Yeah, they would have worked there. Camden, what was your favorite part?
Climbing the fidget spinner.
Ooh.
Climbing the fidget spinners. That was cool. Emmy, what was your favorite part?
Everything.
Everything. Wow.
And
And rocking out. Daddy, what was your favorite part?
The fidget spinners. I even pulled them up. I was like, what is that? I didn't know.
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
what was that part of our park?
Remember those things you climbed on? I said they look like fidget spinners. Remember that? Yeah. Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
I kind of like the fact that it was the site of the first Major League
Oh, I
Baseball
forgot. Yeah,
game.
who knew?
It was the site of the first Major League Baseball game. They had a big plaque out there. That was,
This kind of park?
yeah, it was kind of a cool piece of history. And
That's
anyways, that's pretty cool.
going today.
All right, so thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications on our next videos. And we will see you next time.
Be fun, be cool, be the end. He got it.
Baby Adventures.
Digging on that first baseball game. Turns out that was the National Association of Professional Baseball Players, formed back in March 1871. That league consisted of 9 teams, including the Fort Wayne Kikiangas. So, game 1, May 4th, 1871, against the Fort Wayne Kikiangas and the Cleveland Forest Cities. There's about 200 people in attendance. The game got called early due to rain in the 9th inning, but star player for the Kikiangas, Bobby Matthews, pitcher, pitched a shutout, resulting in a win for the Kikiangas, 2-0. Unfortunately, the Kikiangas team only lasted about 19 games that season, about halfway through. Poor attendance, homesick players. A lot of guys were from Baltimore originally, so they went back there. But pretty cool fact to know that that first game of professional baseball players occurred here in Fort Wayne. Unfortunately, Major League Baseball does not recognize that as a major league, but still the first professional baseball game ever played in Fort Wayne. So, pretty cool. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. See you next time.